Hello, beautiful babes. It's Vlogmas Day 6.
Everyone knows that Christmas should be white. Bing Crosby got that right. Oh, but I'm in Copacabana, tanning up for Santa. But I'm getting on a plane, a boat, or a train. I'm setting a new course, bearing straight due north. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you hanging by yourself. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you. Everyone knows that Christmas should.
All right, beautiful babes. While I do my makeup today, let's just have a little chit chat. Well, it won't be a chit chat. It's going to be some things that I ran across. So make sure you smash that subscribe button in the process. And also, I want you to participate. Leave your comments down below. And if you like this kind of thing, please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up as well. I appreciate each and every one of you all. I hope you're having a blessed and wonderful day and continue to be blessed. And let's get this started. What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome back to the channel. This is, Vlogmas Day 6. Can you believe that? But today I wanted to do something just a little bit different. We've been doing our day-to-day, all of that shebang bang. But today, girl, I wanted to talk. I wanted to talk because, every now and then you have to pause for the cause. And today's subject, as you saw in the description, you don't know what you have until it's gone. So let's get right into the conversation. And please feel free to chime in the comments. I'd love for you to do that. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and tap that post notification bell. Y'all, I ran across something that I wanted to share with you, and I hope that you just take time out to gather your thoughts and leave comments below in the comment section. So let's talk about this. Why do we often take for granted the very things that deserve our gratitude the most? Now, we do this with both people and possessions. The problem is, I believe, that many people do not realize this until the situation has come and passed. Now, we take things for granted on a daily basis, always with the assumption that whenever we need something, it will be there. There are many things we fail to realize the true value of until they are missing from our lives. Think of technology, the internet, or even your cell phone. You do not realize how vital your cell phone is to your life until you have to go days without it. Enjoy the little things in life because someday you'll realize they were the big things. Now, people say you don't know what you got until it's gone. Truth is, you actually know what you had. You just never thought you'd lose it. This is a common thing once a relationship reaches its conclusion. When you become complacent with your partner, your spouse, girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever, it is easy to fall into this trap. Happiness doesn't come as a result of getting what you don't have. Rather, it's recognizing and appreciating what you do have. If someone once made you happy, there's a great chance they still will. Think about it. Maybe you're bored with your familiar routine, but that doesn't mean you should get rid of it. Don't lose something you have for something you think you want. When people break up, it's common to regret it. You end the relationship because you think you can do better. But once you're out of that and in the dating world, you realize you had something amazing. Sometimes it is too little too late, and you must learn from your unfortunate decision. What screws a person up is trying to live up to image they create in their minds. Yeah, there is no such thing as perfect, only perfect for you. So please appreciate what you have before it becomes what you had. What you have now was once everything you strove to attain. Just because something becomes repetitive does not mean it needs to be replaced. Think of how lucky you are to have someone you can be completely comfortable around. That is a true gift and one that should be cherished at all times. It should be cherished at all times. Appreciate all the things you have in life because you never know when the time will end. Clear the clutter inside your mind and realize what you have right now. Don't wait until you've lost it to finally see how much you took it for granted. Don't wait until you realize that without it, your foundation to make it through each day begins to crumble. Someone else is happier with less than what you have, for sure. Too many times, people don't realize what they have because they are out there looking for something better. The problem is that when they do realize it, they will come crawling back. Everyone falls into the trap that the grass is always greener on the other side. People make mistakes. It's part of human nature. If you really love this person, it may be in both people's best interests to give him or her another chance. Sometimes space makes people appreciate things they once had. You need to make it clear that you forgive one time and one time only, and if this is what you truly want. However, on the flip side, you can only want something when you haven't got it back. If you had it back, you would only get fed up with all the bad bits again and start wondering why you wanted it back in the first place. When you lose someone, you tend to remember the good parts. When you are with them, you tend to notice the bad parts. This is, of course, until you find the one you were truly meant to be with, and then the bad bits just seem endearing. Don't take things for granted because they might not be there tomorrow. That is so true. The thing is, very few people can see the impact of what they do now and how it relates to their futures. Which would you rather regret? The present, where you have no idea what is happening as it's in real time and you haven't the slightest conception of long-term consequences, or the past, where you take time out to see things as they were? People make mistakes and leave the things they love the most. They fail to appreciate the good thing they once had, and as a result, continuously regret their decision. People constantly want something more, something new, but sometimes the most valuable things are what we have that has been with us at all times. Just because something isn't happening for you right now does not mean that it never will. Happiness will never come to those who fail to appreciate what they already have. Just like you don't know what you have until it's gone. You don't know what you've been missing until it arrives. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. Y'all, just a little word of thought. Think about that this holiday season, or throughout the season, or throughout the next upcoming year. Please leave a comment down below on your thoughts. I certainly do appreciate it. Like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all know, please share your girl with your world. And in the meantime and in between time, I hope you enjoyed this Get Ready With Me. Y'all have a great one, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.